Charybdis 4x6 MK2 Split Keyboard, the trackball ergonomic upgrade worth every adjustment. It begins as a mild wrist ache after long coding sessions, easy to ignore at first. Then, one afternoon, in the middle of a project, the pain makes typing feel genuinely impossible. That moment changes everything. A developer once had to step away from a critical deadline because his hands simply gave out. That slow, quiet buildup is easy to dismiss until it is not. Have you felt it creeping into your own wrists? The real cost is not just physical. It is the constant mental weight of knowing your setup works against you every hour. The burning tightness by midday. The quiet frustration of reaching for a mouse and breaking your flow completely. One writer lost 2 productive hours every day managing discomfort alone. At some point, something has to change. And often, the solution is closer than you think. This is where the Charybdis 4x6 MK2 Split Keyboard Kit with palm pad custom hot swap wireless or wired Bluetooth trackball split mechanical keyboards completely reframes how you work. Do not settle for just any split keyboard. What matters is an integrated palm position trackball and fully hot swappable switches, so your workflow never breaks and your wrists are not forced back into strain. The concave keywell follows the natural curve of your fingers, reducing unnecessary movement with every keystroke. The thumb-controlled trackball replaces your mouse entirely, keeping cursor control within reach while your hands stay anchored on the home row. Hot swap sockets let you change switch feel in minutes without soldering. Bluetooth and USB-C multi-mode connectivity ensures seamless use across desktop and mobile setups. Adjustable palm pads absorb tension across long sessions with consistency. One senior engineer on the edge of an RSI diagnosis described the first week as unfamiliar, but the second as rediscovering comfort he had completely forgotten. Per-key RGB adapts to any lighting environment, and most users quickly realize the real advantage. Open-source QMK firmware and the VIA interface allow every key to match your exact workflow, not someone else's default.
The real question with any ergonomic investment is simple. Does the improvement last or fade once the novelty wears off? With the Charybdis 4x6 MK2 Split Keyboard Kit, long-term users answer that clearly. One ergonomic hardware specialist pointed out that the MK2 represents more than 4 years of continuous community refinement, not a rushed product, but a design shaped and proven through real daily use. That kind of track record is earned. Another user, documenting months of transition, reported their wrist pain disappeared completely, along with noticeable posture improvements. They highlighted the thumb cluster as surprisingly intuitive, especially after the initial adjustment period. And yes, the learning curve is real. The columnar layout and split angle feel unfamiliar at first, but nearly every long-term user describes that phase as the final adjustment they ever needed. The setup stays, the relief builds. Developers, writers, and engineers are quietly making this their permanent desk setup. Results vary depending on how quickly you adapt. So ask yourself, what matters more? Eliminating wrist pain or eliminating your mouse?
The Charybdis 4x6 MK2 Split Keyboard Kit with palm pad, custom hot swap, wireless or wired Bluetooth trackball split mechanical keyboards is not just another gadget. It is a long-term investment in how you work every single day. A growing number of professionals, programmers, designers, and creators are building it into their setups and not looking back. Results may vary based on adaptation speed. The next step is simple. The link is in the description, right at the top. Click it and experience what a truly ergonomic workflow feels like.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.